Have you ever been to a meeting that's a waste of time? Now, whenever I ask that question, I see a forest of hands in front of me. Think about how much of our days are spent sitting around tables exchanging words, and how much of those meetings add little or no value to either decisions that are being made, processes that are being examined, and business being done. So let's get disciplined in the way that we understand the value and the importance of meetings. They're not just activity for activity's sake. Every meeting needs to have a purpose, an outcome that is going to be able to be measured, and commitments that mean that what the meeting has achieved has got accountability down the line. It sounds so simple, and yet how much of our days are spent in wasted energy, wasted activity, when they could be used far more consciously and effectively. So become conscious of how your meetings are conducted. Challenge yourself with this question: if we didn't meet, what would happen? And if you have any doubt in your mind, eliminate. Nike were famous for this. On their audit of their meeting practices, over about an 8-month period, they eliminated 60% of the meetings that were conducted in their business. And as a result, productivity went up, people were happier, better work was done. Do a meeting audit and eliminate the unnecessary.